Presenting the world of Mike. He builds cool things you'll like. Watch to see what he's doing tonight.
Hi everyone and welcome back to build the F40 Competizione from Panini and Centuria Collections. This is issue number 6 and we're going to be doing the left cylinder head cover and ignition core. So very kindly Panini has put these in this lovely clear packaging which is absolutely fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to be doing the left one, so let's get this out of the way, and I'm going to keep these because these bags can come in handy for all sorts of things, so always keep them. Very lovely packaging. They do, Model Space does this as well, so it's really cool. So what we've got here is the left one. If you look just here, you have got like a little L symbol which indicates the left. That is that part there. The next part we're going to get is the left cylinder head, which is in this little piece of bag here. So we're just going to get them out like so, and we're going to get them there. Now for this assembly, you may need tweezers, which I've got here, and you also need side cutters so that you can separate them from the sprue here. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay on the left head cover, you'll notice 4 semicircles, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they correspond with the pins, obviously, in the head here. So as you can see on there, you've got little pins which will feed into there. What we're going to do is we're going to position the first ignition core and press it firmly into place. Now looking at these, they're all exactly the same. So what you need to do is just give it a cut, get this blade as close as to the edge as possible, and that will give you a nice cut there. So there we go. Let's get that out of position like so, and as you can see, it's got a little pin there and it has got like a key notch, so it can only go in the one way. It is directional, and that's the little detail on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the first one into the first hole up here like so. So let's put that into position. This is where they said you might need tweezers, so we'll see how easy it is first. So let's pop that into position first of all. Ooh, slipping and sliding all over the place. It should go in fine. There we go. You sort of hear a click for that to go into place, and that's gone in there absolutely perfect. So let's get this off here. I like to take one off the sprue at a time, that way we don't get muddled up. So let's get that one, and we're going to pop that into there like so. So that's number 2. The next one we're going to do is do that. And as I said, if you build another model of this, you'll notice that the speed time of doing the parts will increase, because you roughly know where everything goes from doing the first model. Because obviously in the first model, you're sort of being instructed on how to fit the parts. So let's just get that one into there as well. I don't know what's happened there. It's not liking it. There we go, lovely. And we've just got to put one more in there as well. I'm just going to turn the page, so just bear with me. We'll sort that out. Let's just take it over there. I need one of them Life of Brian music stand things. So let's get that there, and we'll get this one out of here as well. What we're going to do, we're going to pop that into the last hole just here. So there we go, and that's going to fit lovely jubbly into there. Sundays are only really the day that I seem to get free, so I normally do all my filming on a Sunday and then schedule them out. But wow, that looks really cool. So that is the first left head cylinder done, and it does actually say on the back, if correctly assembled, the fixing pin should be clearly visible on the reverse of the cylinder head cover, and as you can see, you can see the cylinder head there. So obviously these are the parts that we've done, and it just says to repeat these steps for the remaining 3 spaces on the cover, which obviously we've done. Obviously the second page is just showing, it just shows you to put that one in, but it's pretty simple and pretty obvious that we're going to put 3 more into that, so that's fine. And that is the left cover done. Coming up next time on issue number 7 of the Competizione, you will get to see this lovely part here, which looks to be the other part of the cylinder. It does actually say here the cylinder head gaskets, right cylinder head cover and cylinder head studs, and then obviously in issue 8 you've got the left and right cylinder and banks of your F40's V8 engine. So that's what we're doing in the next couple of issues. Hope you like that. Please remember to like and support, and I'll see you very soon for another F40 Competizione. Take care, bye bye.